A car window that will not go up can be really frustrating, especially when it is raining or you need to secure your vehicle. This problem can occur for several reasons, but the good news is that most of these problems have simple fixes you can try at home. The first thing you should do is check the window switch, as sometimes the problem could be a dirty or faulty switch, preventing power from reaching the window. Carefully unscrew the window switch from its housing and gently disconnect the wiring connector from the back. Then remove the switch clips or cap, and you will see the contacts. To clean it, use a soft, dry toothbrush or a cotton swab to remove dust and grime from the contacts and housing. Once the switch is clean, reconnect the wiring, secure the switch back in place, then reconnect the battery, and test the window to see if it moves smoothly again. If needed, you can replace the entire switch panel. By using this method, you can often restore proper window function. Silicone spray lubricates surfaces without attracting dirt, keeping parts moving smoothly. It also protects metal and plastic from rust, corrosion, and wear. A common cause of a window not going up is a jammed or dirty window track. Over time, dust, dirt, or debris can accumulate along the edges of the window, making it hard to move up or down. You can clean the tracks carefully using a soft cloth and apply a silicone-based lubricant, such as silicone spray, by gently spraying it along the track. Avoid using oil-based lubricants on the tracks, as they can attract more dirt and make the problem worse. To clean more thoroughly, take a screwdriver, wrap a clean cloth around it, and gently run it along the window tracks to remove buildup. By using this simple method, you can improve the window's movement and prevent it from sticking in the future. If cleaning and lubricating the tracks does not help, the problem might be the window motor or regulator. The motor powers the window up and down, while the regulator guides its movement. If you hear a humming or clicking noise when pressing the switch, but the window doesn't move, the motor may be weak or burnt out. In this case, you will need to carefully remove the door panel, and then unscrew the nuts and bolts that hold the window regulator and motor in place. Next, carefully remove the regulator and window. Install a new regulator and motor, and then put everything back in place. Replacing the window regulator and motor can fix your car window. Preventive maintenance, like keeping the window tracks clean and lubricated and avoiding slamming doors too hard, can also extend the life of your window system. By following these steps and addressing the right component, you can get your car window working smoothly again and avoid costly trips to the mechanic.